Mm. I hurt. Got a lot of pain. Things that ain't right with my brain. Probably some old shit. Something like some old train. So now I'm trying to move on. Now I'm trying to find something new and new. Like it's in my sight. Some type it by like inside my mind. How I put it together, alright. If you down with it, you know this picture you can fit in it. If you is with it, get with it. At least in time. At least I hope you mind. Ride or die. Even everything. I don't even know like. Wait, and then in time, yeah, you already know I'm waiting patiently in mind every time. And I'm staying on my grind while I rhyme. Cause I really enjoy this shit and I really think it fly. I talk my topics, I love my logic. Looking for some homies, that's just honest. If you feel it, then you can feel it real. And yeah, and I know it like bringing in. Like, the stutters and skips just show the true heart's intense. Yeah, the truth of the heart, its intensity is something like brain written now. I pull it in, I gotta get it in, I get it in. That's alright, yeah, loving that tight, yeah, all of that hype, yeah, feeling the fight, oh whoa, like I gotta find you, so, like, yeah, my only one girl, she should know, I'm gonna put in all the time, every time, I'm gonna make up something new with it, and maybe every line, I'm hoping that she'll fit to it, I hope she'll really do just what she got to do it, yeah, 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 like, if you listening, that's what's up then, yeah, where you at? What you doing? How you doing? I just want you to talk back. Maybe kick something off with no flaw. Like the chemistry, I don't know mathematics and all. Something like history between you and me. We can start a new day. Every page that we turn increase and crevice increase. And each and every part of it talking cursive so sweet. With my swerve. Thinking all up in my word. Like wondering where you'll fit to it earn. Each and every part of it, I know my worth. Why the fuck you think I talk like this and that? I know it hurts. Or, does it? Not at all, but I might feel like I'm cursed when I does it. Just to sound cool, and that's just for you. But that just makes me gifted, maybe even blessed to you. Cause you like the way I run, my tone. Even when it comes down and giving you kisses, wherever you like them, I do it. You know what it is, then what it is, let's get to it. Ooh, like I hope that I can melt your heart every time that I can. If you want it, it's all just for you. I don't even put it up there in the air for them, boo. I just do what I do for you because that's the only way to me it feels true. So it's like logic, I rock it and with it. If it's already a song, I guess I got it. Or I just made it up inside of my head. When I touch the paper with my pen, I'm really thinking then. And then I start to hear my things through the pages, leaking through the stages, seeping through their faces. Maybe it's intense love, but I don't know if that's just what's up. It's something that grows and never grows old, even as time defines each and part of its whole. Nothing but running time around the clock. Thinking all the time that I can't stop. Thinking about you, it just infects my brain. Each and every part of it, my heart feels in pain. Yeah, I know I slip, but that's what